Dear fellow citizens living abroad, the U.S. House of Representatives passed the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act 2019 by almost all votes on December 3rd, which made people at home and abroad feel infinite excitement and strengthened their will for national independence and hope for freedom. Promote the enthusiasm of the Uyghurs overseas for the independence movement. In this regard, as the East Turkestan Uyghurs and Independent Movement Organization, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to those who have made efforts to pass the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act and members of the United States House of Representatives. At the same time, we strongly hope that President Trump can sign the Uyghur Bill to rescue the innocent Uyghurs who are being held in concentration camps by the Chinese Communist Party. We strongly hope that all Western countries headed by the United States and international political institutions, such as the European Parliament, can set the United States as an example and rescue the Uyghurs who are being genocided from concentration camps in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan. Salute so far, East Turkestan Uyghurs and Independent Movement Chairman's Office.